Just want to do a quick follow-up video as to what I'm expecting today. First of all, Dixie on a daily time frame. Looks like we're actually going to get a little bit of a pushback. That means we have some upside opportunity on Bitcoin, ETH, and tech stocks, so be aware of that coming into today's open. Aside from Dixie giving us a little bit of breathing room, let's go quickly look at Bitcoin on a daily, what's going on. One thing you need to be aware of that is today is the last day before the halving. So yeah, I mean, we're about to see some scarcity play out in Bitcoin. I want you to notice this bull flag reconsolidation that you're seeing over here. Very similar to this. Found support on the cyan and then busted up into the support level bull flag consolidation and broke out. Well, you kind of have something similar like that going on. Once you get above the yellow EMA, which is over here on Bitcoin around 66,000, and you got opening closes above 66, I would be very, very cautious of a quick move to like 68 and then beyond. Obviously, you can see where my alerts are at here at 71, 76.5. Those are the levels that I'll be looking for as prior resistance. If I was going to take profit or if I'm going to look for a hedge short, that would be where I'm doing it. Long scalp wise, if you didn't get that liquidity grab last night, that was the third grab into downside with divergence, and now you're playing up the upside. So we might have put in a local low around 58,900 on Bitcoin, and until that level is broken, there is no talk of us going to the lower levels of 53 to 50,000. But that level is still there if we swing failure pattern, do not get above 66 and we get another pushback down under 64. Well, if we close under 64 this week, then I'm looking for us to go do that liquidity grab next week after the halving, unfortunately. So the halving would be a sell the news event if that occurred. Another warning, Binance basically cashed out $1 billion into stablecoin. What did they cash out? I don't know, but just keep in mind that BlackRock also allowed its users to cash out instantly into USDC. So the ramps of people getting out if the halving is a sell event is there. It could be a quick sell event. And if anyone wants to buy, the option is there if they want to cash into USDC and then get into the market. So on-ramp, off-ramp, accessibility, availability has greatly increased from the previous run. So please be aware of that. That if you see a quick sell-off, I mean, it's probably going to go to a stable coin. And if you don't see a sell-off and you see money coming into the market, hopefully the love is going into the altcoins, which got decimated almost 50% in the last like week or two. So aside from that, Bitcoin, I gave you what we're looking for. It does look like it wants to poke up higher. Now let's go take a look at quickly ETH on a daily, and similar situation, pulling up from the lows, actually putting a higher low on the grab yesterday, and now we're about to get above 31.36. If that happens with daily open and close, then the next day I'm looking for us to get into that $3,300 area. So if not today, tomorrow or the weekend, we're going to probably test into that area. If we can't hold it, then we'll probably roll on over and then revisit these lows next week. And that's basically all I'm trying to get at, is that, you know, upside has its opportunity here. Where do we find resistance is what we're going to find out. Is it going to be 130? Is it going to be 250? Or is it going to be 333? We'll find out on ETH. I am, full disclosure, long. I am going to ride it until I find some resistance, and if I see weakness into New York Open, I will let it go. Until then, let's just enjoy the free ride the market it's giving us into the bull run. Hopefully, FOMO and retail buyers help support the upside push. Aside from that, guys, if you're interested in trading with me live, feel free to join the Discord server. Link to the server is in the description of this video below, alongside all the other affiliate services that I use and recommend that helps this channel grow. So thank you so much for your love and support. If you haven't already, please leave a like, subscribe, press the bell button for notifications. If you haven't, also, if you could leave a comment, a question, whatever, on the comment section below, it will greatly help the algorithm spread our information. And if you have anyone that's like-minded individual who you think would be interested in our material, please feel free to share it with them so that we can grow our community. Other than that, guys, have a great day. Enjoy your weekend. Happy Friday. Be safe, and talk to you soon. Thank you.